Let me show you how to make a healthier, edible cookie dough with these 4 simple ingredients. You only need 1 bowl. Combined almond flour, melted coconut oil, maple syrup, and peanut butter. Add chocolate chips if you want. Quick tip: make sure your maple syrup isn't cold, or it will solidify the coconut oil and make it hard to fully combine. Mix everything together until it's smooth and doughy. Add a tiny bit of coconut oil to your hands, then knead gently until it comes together. Now roll the dough into little balls. This makes 4 perfect 1.5-inch cookie dough bites. These are great as is, or you could stack 2 to make the cutest little cookie dough snowmen. These are also great to make cake pops, and you could actually bake cookies out of them. Enjoy!